Batang bata ka pa at marami ka pang kailangang kaining bigas. Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace and here's what I've learned during my first year. Oh, bago ang lahat, napanood mo na ba ang overview ng dosage calculations? If hindi pa, go watch that para naman may background ka na sa upcoming lessons nito. Let's proceed with Young's rule. Yung rule na ito ay ginagamit para sa mga age 2 years old and above. At ito ang ating working formula. Yan. So, age in years over age plus 12 times the adult dose is equals to the child dose. Now, try nating gamitin. You can pause this vid para kapag lumabas yung question, matry mong sagutan at makita mo if same tayo ng sagot. Next, we have a 5-year-old child weighs 40 pounds. The adult dose of cephalexin is 500 milligrams every 8 hours. Using Young's rule, what is the child's dose per administration? If the child is prescribed the liquid form of cephalexin with a concentration of 250 milligrams per 5 ml, how many milliliters should the child receive per dose? Sa problem na ito, dalawa ang hinihingi. Child's dose per administration at milliliters na dapat matake ng child per dose. So, unahin natin ang child's dose per administration. Sticking with the formula, 5 years over 5 years plus 12 times the adult dose which is 500 milligrams. Hindi ulit kasama ang weight at ang frequency kasi hindi naman siya nire-require ng problem. Solving this, we will get 147.06 milligrams per administration. So ngayon, proceed tayo sa milliliters na dapat makuha ng bata per dose. So, gagamitin natin dito ang ratio and proportion since ang binigay na concentration ay 250 milligrams per 5 ml. Ngayon, hahanapin natin ilang milliliters ba ang meron sa 147.05 milligrams. So, nilagay natin ang 250 milligrams over 5 ml is equals to 147.06 milligrams over xml. Then, we will do a cross match again para maiwan natin yung xml sa isang side. Para maiwan si xml sa isang side, i-divide natin by both sides sa kung ano ang katabi ng xml, which is 250 milligrams. So, cancel all similar numbers and similar units and proceed to solving. And we will get 294 ml per dose. O diba, yakang-yaka. Sa next video, we'll talk about the Cowling's rule, okay? And for more vids like this, don't forget to follow me and see you on the next video.